Hey guys, how are you? Awesome, it's Carmen. Okay, sorry about that. Had a brain fart for a second. I'm literally like on my 4th or 5th take for this video because it's just been so difficult to videotape. I don't have any good lighting equipment, so right now I'm just sitting in front of my window in my kitchen, so I'm sorry I don't have like great backgrounds with glitter and, you know, awesome music, but I'm getting there, guys. My first video, I just wanted to, ooh, sorry, just got a text. Anyway, I just wanted to make this video today because I just got out of my appointment at the French consulate off of Post Oak, which is in the Galleria area, and it just so happens I used to work like 2 doors down from there, so it was pretty convenient. What I am revealing today is that I'm actually about to study abroad, which some of you guys know already because, you know, we've hung out and I've told you about it. And I've been promising some people these videos for like ever, but you know, here it is finally. And I'm really sorry. It's just been a really hectic summer, last semester, everything. I've taken quite a bit of classes this summer semester. So I'm on my 3rd class right now so far, and yeah, I'm almost done. I finished off August 12th. And my big reveal is that I'm going to be studying abroad in Nice, France, guys. Which, if you don't know where Nice is, if you guys have heard of the recent tragedies that happened on Bastille Day, which was like a French Independence Day, yeah, so that town where that incident happened with the truck, you know, killing all those people and stuff, that's the town I'm actually moving to. And yes, I know it sounds a little, you know, why would you go there, Carmen? That whole thing was after I had already chosen to go there, and mainly because my school offers a direct program with the business school that's in Nice, and so I had an option of 2 locations, which was Nice, France, or Lille, which Lille's a lot closer to Paris, but Nice is in southern France, and I chose Nice because it's right on the beach, and I mean, it just looks beautiful. It's one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. That's what I've heard. You know, everyone has their own opinion. I have no idea. I've never been there. I have never traveled anywhere outside of the US besides Mexico. Well, I was born there, and yeah, I've gotten to visit a few times, so that's about it. Other than that, I haven't been out of the country ever, so this is my first time, and I'm extremely excited. I leave August 28th, so I will be arriving in Nice on August 29th at about 12 o'clock. And so, yeah, what else did I want to cover with you guys? Okay, so the reason that I'm making this post is because this is going to be kind of a series of blogs that I want to do while I'm abroad. First of all, I'm receiving a travel award, a scholarship from my university, which I go to the University of Houston downtown. And yeah, so I'm receiving a scholarship, and part of the scholarship is kind of, you know, to have some kind of documentation, whether it be a regular blog or a video blog, anything like that of your time abroad, because I think when you get back, if I'm not mistaken, you have to present your video or, you know, whatever you have, pictures, anything like that at a international exchange fair. And that's just, you know, for students who want to go abroad and are interested but don't really know, you know, what to expect. That's kind of the reason I want to do this video. Another reason is because, yeah, there's a lot of travel blogs out there, and that's great and everything, but a lot of them are just like, if you're just visiting, you know, the country, it's not really if you're living in the country, you know. There's a lot of things like, oh, you're moving to France, yeah. But I've had quite a bit of trouble getting a hold of some of the information that I needed, and then, you know, there's just like little things that you run into that you had no idea you ever needed, and, you know, you need to figure out, okay, well, where do I go get this paper and stuff like that. So basically my videos are just kind of going to be that way for a little while, which is like more me explaining some of the things you need and some of the process, because I feel like that would be the most helpful. Hopefully my videos are in better productions, I guess, later on, but I really don't know what kind of software I'm gonna have while I'm in France. I have a Mac right now, so they come with like a basic videography program, and so I've been messing with that, which is probably what I'm gonna use to fix up this video. And yeah, so if you guys have any suggestions on software or anything like that, please let me know. And also, if you guys have suggestions about any place I should try while I'm in Nice, please send me that also, because I really would like to know. I'm really gonna be exploring everywhere. I want to travel to a few other places while I'm there, because Nice is right between Italy and Spain, so it's kind of like stuck there in the middle. And yeah, so I want to take advantage of flying out of there because it's like $78 to fly out of Nice into Spain or, you know, Italy or whatever. And why wouldn't I take that? That's the cheapest flight to Italy I'm ever gonna find, you know. But that's besides the point, guys. Now I'm just blabbering on trying to fill this stuff. I'll be back on January 5th to be exact, but I did just get my visa today, and they did give me permission to be in the country until February because we don't know what the climate is there right now, and you know, anything could change, especially with politics and stuff. And that's one thing you really got to take into consideration when you're traveling is, you know, what kind of safety measures do I need to take as an individual before I go to the country, you know, just in case, just so somebody knows you're there. I mean, obviously some people know you're there, but I mean like government officials. So first tip, I am going to tell you guys, if you go on the US government website for passports and stuff, they offer, I forget what the name is, so I'm gonna have to get back to you guys on that. But basically, you sign up, I think, through the government website, and it just gives you like your address and your number and all of that. So in case, you know, there's an emergency or anything like that, you know, they know that you're out there, and you know, hopefully they'll go find you because, you know, you need someone to find you. And I am aware that, you know, it's a little dangerous in France right now with everything going on, terroristic wise and everything. If terroristic is a word, I'm not sure, sorry. But honestly, just because it's not in the media doesn't mean it's not happening. So with that being said, France isn't the only place that's having a lot of problems right now. You know, there's other countries that face issues every single day, but I mean, they're not on the news every single day. I mean, Honduras, come on, I know a few people from there, and there's a lot going on. And, you know, just different places. Mexico, I'm from Mexico, you know, and from a while back it was super dangerous, but that didn't really stop a lot of people. People were still visiting, you know, and the problem is, it's like, are you really going to stop living your life because someone else is threatening you all the time? I mean, I feel like I really believe in God, and I know that He's right there with me. So when it's my time, it's my time. And if it's not my time, it's not my time. So hopefully it's not my time yet because I'm not ready. But if it happens to be my time while I'm up there, I'm just so glad I made it to France. I've been studying French for a really long time, and I love the culture, which is why I was so excited when I realized that this program was available. And yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna stop talking your head off, guys. I'm gonna leave it at this. Thank you so much for those people who watch my video, who share my video. That's awesome. If you know anybody that's interested in studying abroad, please show them my video at least, or comment on there and give me suggestions, guys. If there's anything in particular y'all want to know about, any kind of process or whatever, anything about the program, any kind of detail, I will definitely let y'all know, and I'll be making a video here pretty soon, just kind of talking about like what I need to prepare before I head out. So anyway, yeah, that's my video. Thank you so much for listening. Please subscribe to my channel. There is one more video on my channel that I made that for school like 2 summers ago. So please don't watch that one and be like, Carmen, you're such a horrible speaker, because that was a practice video. So anyway, guys, all right, thank you so much. Have a great day. I love everybody. Okay, that's probably not true, but I'm sending love to you guys. Anyway, yeah, so let me know your questions. Thank you. Bye.